All right, we're gonna take a ride here in a pretty cool 2007 Corvette with the 3LT package, which means basically it's got most of the options you can get except for ZR1 and Z06. It's got the heads-up display. This one's got the yellow face gauges. This one has an upgraded Alpine stereo system that's awesome. It's got a backup camera and XM and Bluetooth, you name it. But this car is kind of unique because it's been upgraded to the ZR1 body kit. So it's a wide body. It looks sick, really nice. Got 18-inch Forgestar wheels on it. It's a lot of carbon fiber. It's fast, you know, it's stock. You know, it's only got the LS2 motor in it. I think they're only 400 horsepower, which is plenty for a lightweight car like this. You can do some mods to it. The only mod on this one mechanically is just got a muffler delete, so it looks a little bit more like the part. Sounds like it. It runs great. Pretty cool though. It's got some big 35 series tires on it. Has some upgrades to the suspension. The Johnny O'Connell Stage 1 suspension kit. Also has the Dynotech Stage 3 billet aluminum differential with 342 ratio. Positive traction, of course. It's got the S2 dynamic wing, which some people like, some people don't, but it's a nice big wing on the back. It's functional, it moves as you turn, different speeds. You know, it's expensive. It's like a $6,000 wing, I believe. But really looks the part. Velocity yellow looks awesome. Pretty cool. Fun car to drive. Cold AC, drive it every day. Removable top for the summertime. Well, we'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here. Our 2007 Corvette Coupe. It's got the 3LT package, which pretty much means it's loaded. The full leather, heads-up display, power heated seats, a little bit of everything. And then from there, the guy spent a ton of money on this car. You know, suspension, differential, the S2 dynamic wing. This thing has a little computer that operates it. It flips, tips, moves around, makes noise. Makes you feel like you're in a race car. Pretty cool. But it's got the 18-inch Forgestar wheels, some sticky 35 series tires on there, some Toyos. It's got drilled rotors. It's got the wide body kit. That was expensive. This is, and they're factory parts. They're not aftermarket. So it's got the ZR1 body on it. Fenders, rear quarters with the little scoops, a little wider. It's got some LED lighting. I think you could change like the colors and those little LED lights on the headlights. Got a little controller for that. I haven't played with that yet. But it's got the little carbon lip up front. Lots of carbon. $18,000 worth of carbon fiber stuff on this. The mirrors, the bar that goes over the top of the car, the side rockers down there. Very cool. I'll show you the interior. Just stock in here except for that nice stereo system they put in. Now, the stereos weren't that great back in 2007, so this one's got an Alpine, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, XM, Sirius, Spotify, you name it. Again, it's got power windows, power heated seats, cruise control, tilt wheel. It's got Alcantara posts and stuff here. Also has the yellow face gauges, matches the paint. Alcantara center armrest there, nice and comfy. Of course, the top comes off. There's a whole lot of car for 30 grand, and it's only got 36,000 miles on it, so it has lots of life left in it. Nice performance engine, passes smog. Looks like you're going 150 when you're going 80. Good looking car. Here's the power plant in the 2007 Corvette. Basically a stock LS2 400 horsepower LS motor. These are great. People are putting them in hot rods now. They're nice and reliable. It's got a couple carbon fiber goodies stuff under the hood here. Stock exhaust manifolds. Pretty cool, pretty simple. They removed the mufflers. It's got muffler delete, but it has cats and everything, so it's smog legal. Go ahead and fire it up for you. These have that proximity key, so you basically just get in, leave the key in the center console or in your pocket. Got a nice little rumble to it though. That was good. It's a neat car. We got a nice big stack of receipts on it. Motor's nice and simple and quiet. Little rumble out the back. You only hear it when you're on it, which is cool. Not too obnoxious. Got a little, there's the backup camera down there. Pretty cool, all LED lighting. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to go over the car with you and that big stack of receipts I have for it. But it's a California car with low miles. Give us a ring. Thanks for watching.